Hello, have you ever heard someone say, I am not an office worker, so I don't need computer skills? That was true many years ago, but not anymore. Today, whether you are a teacher, business owner, student, healthcare worker, artisan, entrepreneur, or even a farmer, computers have become part of everyday work. In this video, I will explain why computer skills are no longer optional and why learning basic computer operation can open more opportunity for you. Welcome to this video. If you are new here, my goal is to make computer knowledge simple and easy for everyone, especially beginners who may feel afraid or intimidated by technology. Let us look at why every job now requires some level of computer knowledge. Point number one, the workplace has gone digital. The first reason is simple. Workplaces have become digital. In the past, many businesses relied on paper files, handwriting records, and face-to-face communication. Today, most information is created, stored, and shared using computers. Employees are expected to type documents, fill digital forms, send emails, and manage information electronically. Point number two, communication happens online. The way we communicate has changed. Companies now use email, online meetings, messaging applications, and collaboration tools to communicate with customers and colleagues. If you do not know how to use these tools, it becomes difficult to function effectively in many workplaces. Point number three, every profession uses computers. Many people think computer skills are only for people working in technology. That is not true. A teacher uses a computer to prepare lesson notes and record students' results. A doctor or nurse uses digital system to access patient information. A business owner uses computers to manage accounts, communicate with customers, and advertise products. A fashion designer can use a computer or smartphone to receive orders and showcase their work online. No matter your profession, technology has become a tool that helps you do your work better. Point number four, it makes you more productive. Computer skills help you to save time and work smarter. Imagine creating a professional document in minutes, calculating hundreds of figures instantly in a spreadsheet, or finding information online within seconds. These are skills that improve your efficiency and increase your value in the workplace. Point number five, more job opportunities are available to you. Today, many employers list basic computer knowledge as a requirement when recruiting. Even if a job does not involve advanced technology, employers prefer people who can learn quickly and use digital tools confidently. Having computer skills give you a competitive advantage. The world is changing today, and technology is changing with it. The truth is this: you do not need to become a computer expert before you can benefit from technology. You simply need to learn the basic skills that will help you to work, communicate, and solve problems confidently. Remember this: computer skills today are what reading and writing were years ago, a fundamental skill everyone needs. If you have been afraid to start learning computer, this is a sign that you need to begin now. It is never too late to become digitally confident. You are not too old to learn how to use computer. For example, as a computer instructor, I have met many adults who told me, I thought I was too old to learn computer. But after learning simple skills like Microsoft Word, Excel, email, and PowerPoint, they became much more confident at work and in their businesses. So what are you waiting for? Reach out now via the contact detail on the screen. If you find this video helpful, please like it, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more simple computer lessons. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.